you doing, guys? This is Joss from the Kingdom. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. And if you're our subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, guys, I'm just going to show you about the UV DTF. Not someone, a couple of people have been asking me how is the UV DTF holding against the heat, against the washability, and on all of that. And we're going to test that today. So I'm going to say that basically, I think it's going to hold well because the UV when it get print, using the CMYK plus white. Apart from that, it's going to get the varnish on top of the ink, and the UV light is going to pass over it and it's going to dry that. So it's going to be a durable UV DTF sticker. So, but what I got here is just a regular mug, a ceramic mug. So we go to stick that to the mug and we're going to put it on a test. So the first test is going to be basically washability, how that holds, underwater. And then I'm going to use a microwave to heat some water and see how that is going to hold as well. So, talking about the UV-DTF and the varnish that is on top of the ink, you already know that the UV-DTF is going to be anti-scratch. So we're going to test that too, maybe with a knife or something like that I have here. So I'm going to just place it right here, in the middle of the mug, and then it's going to be there. Well, at this point it doesn't matter, this is just for test purpose, and I can reuse the mug for my own coffee and all of that. So the UV DTF transfers, basically, they are for any substrate. If you're asking yourself, is this going to work on a garment? No. For the garment, you have the regular DTF. You got your regular DTF using the matte film, the glossy film, the reflective film, glow in the dark, all of that. But then for the substrate, for hard surfaces, you're going to have the UV DTF transfer, that is this one, like this. This one don't use powder on the back, so the sticker is just holding between these two papers over here, the film, the A and the B. And once you pull the backing, you can throw it away, and then you go to have your sticker right there. Really nice. Okay, so we go to remove these over here if I can do it, and then we're going to see the test for the scratch. If I'm able to remove these, oh man. All right, we got it. So let's start right here, and as always, you can put it really nice. Just be careful not damage the design over there. And there you go, clean and smooth. You can see it got like a little groove around the edges. So what we're going to do is just watch that and see, remove that and all that. But apart from that, if you got customer asking you to make them mugs or tumblers, or let's say, for example, pens or any type of object that they want a full color like this one, and it's black, blue, that is not white like sublimate, because if you want to sublimate, you can use the white mugs, especially for sublimation. That's why they are white. But instead of wasting sublimation ink or anything like that, sublimate a mug from white to go black, You can use a black mug and you can use a UV DTF sticker, and it's going to look like this. And we going, we here using just a UV DTF sticker. We can use a wrap, so meaning that maybe you can get something from here, just put it, and go all over the mug until here. And you're going to have your different designs or whatever design you want to put there. Okay. Just think about this, that when you do UVDTF, you're doing it with a transparent background. So just like regular DTF for the t-shirts. So this one have the transparent background. So in a way, it's a little bit different from sublimation, because sublimation, if you print something to sublimate with a transparent background, you're going to have that design over there. But then when you sublimate on a white mug, you're going to see all the white parts. Compare, or but if you got a solid sublimate design or something like that. But it's similar, but at the same time it's different. So I got water here. So what we got to do is just take how much is the temp for this one. So right now is 33.9. All right, I hope you can see that. Yep, 33.9, 33.8. Give it a so. So we're going to first wash this. So let's put it here to the test. Washability, really nice. You can see scratching with the finger and nothing's happening. Okay, and you can see, you can scratch the design and it's super stick there. Okay, so for washability, I can say that it's 100% good to go. Oh, all right, and you hear that over there was my helper, my Chihuahua. All right, guys. So let me get this mug out of here, so you can, we can dry it out really quick, and we're going to take a look of the design right there. Okay. So let's move out of this of the way, and this is the design, how it looks. Okay, so let's go now and heat the same water. I'm going to heat the same water, take again the temp and submerge this again so you can see it. So but before that, let's take this knife. I don't want to really damage this design because it looks really nice. I would like to reuse this mug for my own coffee. So let's try not to. Well, here, well, it doesn't matter. Obviously, if you scratch there a little bit with a knife, it's going to do some damage there. So anti-scratch against knife is not a good. It's not good to go. Okay, but if we're talking about ourselves or trying to peel it off or remove it, we can see nothing's happening. So that's good to go. At least for me, that's good enough to say that okay, UV DTF is something else and it's super good. All right. So that we got it. Okay. So anti-scratch against knife, no. Anti-scratch against fingers, prints, yourself trying to remove it. Once it's here, yes. Okay. Washability with regular water, cold water, yes, it's good to go. So now we got to heat the water, and let me do around maybe 2 or 3 minutes in the microwave, take the temp, and we're going to see how this sticker, the transfer is going to hold, if it's going to come out of the mug or it's going to stay here. Okay, we just heat our water, so getting the temp is going to be 58, 57.9 right now. So it's dropping fast, I think, or it's around that 58, 59 compared to 35 or whatever it was before. Okay, so yep, it's kind of hot. You can see the little bubbles over there. Yeah, it's good to be too hot for me. That was 3 minutes on the microwave, so we're going to just put this one here. And we can see, oh, that's hot. Take a look, and we can see it's holding there. So the ceramic is hot right now. It's 47. The design also 47. So I don't know. We should do a little boil water for this one. Yeah, let's do a boil water and see how that holds. All right. All right. So we're back, and we heat this more. So now it's what, 67.45. Give it a so 67. Okay, so that's hot, and I'm going even to put my hands inside, and I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out, but so yeah, that's really hot. All right, so let's put it to the test. Just the UV DTFs right there. And that's freaking hot. All right, so we have it there, no peeling. 67, whatever it takes. Let me see. So this one is 57, but the water is 60, 65 now, you know. But you got it, guys. I mean, cold water is good to go. Boiled water is good to go for the UV, DTF. It's good to go. Then washability is good. The scratch is good by itself, really nice. The only thing that can damage this design is going to be obviously like we did with the knife and this. Wow, this is hot. The knife, or maybe something sharp, but apart from that, it's going to be okay. So now you have it there, guys. The UV DTF transfer washability test with cold hot water, and also scratchability. So I think this video is going to wrap it up here. It was a short video today just to show you this, because a couple of people have been asking me about this. And if you are interested in getting UV DTF transfers, for a limited time, we got on our website, we have partnered with a couple of people that actually are customers of us. They're buying supplies from us, but they're a partner with us to get this print. Okay, and I hope the next video I made is going to be different from this current location that I have here, because we're going to soon, we're expecting to move to a new location that is going to be bigger for us, and that way we're going to have more bring more supplies, and we're going to have more items for you over there. So don't worry about. I will share that information once I got it, and give you a tour of our new facility there. All right. So for the moment, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification. Once again, this is Joss. As always, keep printing.